Stick to the basics, mastering English fundamentals. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we make learning English easy and fun. Today, we're diving into a very important and useful phrase, stick to the basics. Understanding this phrase will not only help you in your language learning journey but also in many aspects of your daily life. So, let's get started and uncover the layers behind this powerful advice. Stick to the basics means to focus on the most important and fundamental aspects of something, rather than getting lost in complex details or advanced topics. It's a reminder that mastering the foundational elements is crucial for any kind of learning or skill development. This phrase can be applied to learning English, where grasping the basic grammar, vocabulary, and pronunciation is more important in the beginning than trying to understand complicated literary texts or idiomatic expressions. Focusing on the basics is vital for several reasons. First, it provides a strong foundation on which you can build more advanced skills. Just like building a house, you need a solid base before you can add the walls and roof. Second, understanding the basics well can boost your confidence. It's easier to make progress when you're confident about the fundamentals. Lastly, it ensures that you don't develop gaps in your knowledge, which could hinder your ability to learn more complex concepts later on. To truly stick to the basics in learning English, consider the following tips. 1. Prioritize learning common vocabulary and simple sentence structures. These are your building blocks. 2. Practice basic listening and speaking skills with simple conversations. This will help you in real-life situations. 3. Use resources designed for beginners. These materials are tailored to help you understand and use the fundamental aspects of the language. 4. Review regularly. Revisiting what you've learned ensures that the basics are firmly embedded in your memory. Remember, stick to the basics is not just a phrase but a principle that guides successful learning. We hope this video helps you see the importance of focusing on the fundamentals as you continue your English language journey. Keep practicing, stay motivated, and you'll see how mastering the basics can lead to greater achievements. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Happy learning!